Hi my friends, it's Fawad again with one more unboxing video. This one is for my drone, Mavic Air Fly More combo. I was waiting for that for long. Come on, it's not long, it's just 4 days actually. It took only 3 days, that box to came from China to Canada, and there's all instructions and what's including in the box. There was three options: uh, Arctic White, Flame Red, and Onyx Black. So I just go with the Flame Red just for a change. Packing is nice, like iPhones. All right, and nice actually. The box feels good, good packing. All right, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Yes. Yes. All right. So first thing first, I just go for my drone first. This is the beautiful case, and I like it's not that soft and not that hard, but it's for sure save the drone. All right. This is the travel bag, and same quality of the case actually, same texture, same cloth kind of thing. Okay, let's take care of this box and see what it is. Oh yeah, instructions books, all those warranty guides, startup kit, everything is there. Please go through this one at least once, so if whenever you flying you don't need anything. All right, this one is the prop cards for fly indoor, like if you want to fly indoor, so you just put this one in to save your props or save your property inside. This one is the DJI refresh one. If you want to get it for 1 year, it's like 79 or $80 something. All right, let's put this one on a side and let's go through first in the travel case one. um, it's two more batteries, there's a charging cables and hubs. Oh yes, this one I check it. It's very nice pack pocket on a side actually, but if I open it, it's make a big bag actually. Right, let's go open this box. I think in this one we have some um, extra props, and yes, there are four, and this is adapter. You can use a USB-C to USB charging cable, and this adapter is with your battery. You can use it as a power bank then if you want to. The four more props. Okay, I'll show you how it is. All right, yes, here it is, the black ones. All right, just put this one in the side, and these are the cables if you want to use another device, like which is not iPhone or something. This is the extra joysticks plus the USB-C to USB micro USB. This is the remote received, same like the Mavic Pro one without the screen. Antennas, feels very nice. The oh, texture and the build quality feels very good for the Mavic Air remote. Alright, and here it is, the joysticks, the inside, so you can save it there, you can't lose it. And it's when take it off and you can use it in the pocket or something, it's not damaged or anything. These are the cables. It's right now for the right, iPhone one right now, but we can change it. We can change it to the USB-C or micro USB connectors. There, just give it to us in that uh, plastic bag. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, put it in a side. Let's go for the second one. Over here is, yes, one battery. Oh, check, no battery. Right, that's the second one. Yeah, it's not charged too. And here is the power cable and power, yeah, power charger. and this is the charging hub. Actually, it's take 4 batteries, but it's an inline charger, so it's charge only one in a time, so not more than that. All right, so that's good. Put it aside. Now it's a start of the day. Come on, so feels good. DJI, see, quality. They show that they really care about the quality of the anything they make. All right, here it is. Ta-da! So beautiful.